guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing yet another handlebar replacement again. So if you guys have been following my videos and don't mind this little patch right here, I'm using like this pimple thing. I got a pimple. Anyways, but if you guys have been following a lot of my videos, then you know I mentioned having a lot of issues with my hands. So if I'm doing a really long, downhill trail, I will notice that my hand starts going numb by the time I get back to my car, and it's really annoying. It doesn't really hurt, but it just goes numb, and I know like my pinky, just everything will be numb, and this can sometimes go on for, almost a day and a half before I just regain all the feeling back in, these two fingers right here and then right here on the palm. So it's been really annoying. I've looked up a lot of things just to see what I could do to stop that from happening, and you guys have been so awesome and left me a lot of amazing feedback, just things to try, and I've been trying everything, but unfortunately I don't know, just nothing has been really helping a lot. I've tried adjusting my handlebars, and I know a lot of people said it's just you're applying too much pressure, well duh, onto your handlebars, and you just need to, readjust yourself. But I find that that's just really hard when you're going downhill. One of you guys actually told me about these Ergon, I think that's how you say it, right? These Ergon handlebars right here. And so these, I'll just go ahead and take them out of the plastic here. They have a lot of different kinds. They have some that have a larger platform, but I decided to go with something that was a little more discreet and nothing crazy just to try out. So I'm hoping this will work because it's supposed to just alleviate a lot of that pressure and not that they're designed specifically for that. So I'm hoping that will help, but I'm going to go try these today. I'm just going to do a small little trail today, nothing crazy, because daylight savings, guys, it's screwing me over with everything. I try to get so much done during the day, and then, just can't get it all done in a day. So I thought I would just try these and see how they work for me. So let's go. Added onto my bike has been these little plugs right here, screw-on plugs. I've had a lot of plastic ones, and they always just, I'll whack, like brush up against a tree or something on tight switchbacks, and I'll lose these things. So I decided just to buy these guys on Amazon. I think this was probably like $8, of course, for the both of them. So this has been really nice to have because I don't have to worry about these caps popping off anymore. So they're just self-adjusting ones. You screw on the end. Also say, and this is so very nitpicky of me, kind of, I feel like, I don't know, unless you're this kind of person too, but I am all about the color scheme on my bike, and these handlebars, they're not going to pick up how they actually look in real life on camera probably, but they're true red. They're just red handlebars. And my bike, the accents on my bike that I have are, it's supposed to be red, but it just looks like it has way too much orange in it. So when I try to match it up to, actual red, it just doesn't look right. So I don't know, you guys probably can't tell anything about it, but especially with these plugs right here too, these are just red plugs. And on my bike, looks like it's, more orange going on. So yeah, happy to get these off. I've been wanting to get these off for a while because I just did not like how they looked next to all the accents on my bike. So we just got the first one on right here. I probably will still have to play with the adjustment of this and how much I want it up or down, but I'm thinking this is probably a good place to start right here. So we'll have that tested out. So I just popped in these plugs in again, and yeah, easy to go. Got everything on here, nice and good. So let's go red. This is stupid of me. Look at the smoke out here. You can't even see that far. I think in my car, I didn't have it circulating in the cabin, so I can smell smoke. So this is my first time being out after all the fires we had. You can definitely tell over there just how bad it is. The air quality isn't great over here. It's moderate. I'm in the Simi Valley right now, so this fire didn't really come all the way over here, but very close to here. So it was over in Calabasas, Woodland Hills, Hidden Hills, and everything. So you can tell just how smoky and bad the air is still. So sad. So far so good with the handles. I definitely feel like it does feel a lot better on my hands versus just having the other bars. My only thing, why am I so light? The only thing I will say is I think I still need to do some adjustments to it because I think it's too high up. So therefore having that platform hanging out is
kind of irritating on my hand, but not the same kind of irritating. So that's good we're not having that. And I actually rode down when I first started coming here a little more aggressively than I normally would, just to, you know, have more pressure applied to my hands to see how they feel afterwards, since I'm not riding the usual trail that really hurts my hands really bad. So we'll see, but I really feel like I still need some adjustments. If you guys have these grips, please let me know how you adjust them. I guess it's just going to be kind of a thing I have to play with to see what is most comfortable for my hands, but so far so good. There's people out there, I'll quiet that. Okay. Alright. See how these handlebars do. Like I said, this isn't, you know, an intense trail by any means, but I'm trying to push myself a little bit more on this one just to see if anything happens. The trail that usually starts making my hands feel really bad is a black diamond, so this is far from that, but I'm not going to do anything crazy today. So far, I feel like the positioning, I was just positioning my hands wrong with this. Have time to do my normal trails today because the sun sets so early. Ooh. Alright, back to the car. So far, I mean, I have, like I said, I've been kind of doing a little more than I normally would on something like this, but I don't know, it feels funny, but it's not numb or anything, that sensation. And maybe you just have to get used to these, I don't know. But I think the problem was for the longest time I had my hand too far back because I didn't really know where to put my hands with this, but now I think we got it down. So hopefully that was just it, but I'm a little sore or something right here. Hi, how's it going?
How are you?
Good, how are you?
So,
Alright. It's funny because I usually never meet like a ton of people out here when I do come out here. So over to my left is a really fun trail that normally I do when I come out here, but we didn't do that today just because I felt like I wouldn't have enough time. By the time this video goes up, I'll either have a giveaway up for you guys or it will be coming up in my next video. So So be on the lookout for that. I'm really excited for this giveaway because I haven't really done a giveaway in such a long time. And I really wanted to do one just to get back to you guys because honestly, you guys have just been really amazing and so encouraging and leaving me so much great feedback and helpful tips that I just really wanted to be able to do something for you guys. So hopefully you guys like the giveaway.
So my lovely gimbal ended up dying right as I was finishing the trail, so that's why it ended so abruptly. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave me a comment down below if you like more of these kind of vlog style writing videos, and I can do more. But let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!